How to replace and flush the secondary filter on your LifeWave X₂O. Remove and empty the reservoir. Place container under dispensing outlet. Go to Settings and System Drain. Turn system off when draining is complete. Open the filter compartment, turn and remove filter core, and discard the old filter. Now screw in the filter, slide core back into place, place drain hose into sink. Turn the secondary valve to flush and power on. Add clean water and refill as needed. Go to Settings, Flush Filter, Flush Secondary. Turn valve to normal, store hose, close cover, tap confirm.